The sound of saws cutting through wood, the crashing of falling trees, and the flying splinters as the logs are processed. Prepare yourself for an exciting journey where every moment counts. It's time to begin. The LT-15's flexible saw blade system makes it easy to handle different types of wood, no matter the size or hardness. Plus, the ability to adjust the cutting thickness accurately provides a lot of options for different products.
I got my scaffolding there all set up. Get a bit of downhill lean.
Taking down this massive ancient tree is truly a real challenge. The worker must prepare a 42-inch chainsaw, a machine equipped with a long, sharp blade, to tackle this demanding task. The sound of the saw engine roared, strong and powerful. The sharp saw blade sliced through the tree trunk, sending sawdust flying everywhere. A remarkable showcase of might and craftsmanship. This is no typical wood splitter. This is the Bell Super Splitter, with an impressive splitting force of up to 76 tons, making it easy to handle even the toughest logs. What sets the Super Splitter apart is its wireless remote control feature, allowing users to operate the machine comfortably from a distance, saving both time and effort. Seeing two men work so smoothly to deal with the giant tree trunk is truly impressive. The sharp blade slices effortlessly through the thick trunk, making smooth and clean cuts. The Cat 980M logger features a large, flexible grapple that firmly holds large bundles of wood and then moves and stacks them safely and with incredible precision. This cutter works so fast, the sharp blade just slides through the tree trunk like scissors cutting through paper. Every time the blade goes through, those tall pine trees are taken down in just a few seconds. The Jarcrack EV Pro Lara M is a specialized, powerful, and versatile logger. It is equipped with a 360-degree swivel crane and a sturdy wood clamp, which helps to move and handle large tree trunks efficiently in all conditions. The timber ships have arrived, and time is flying by. The teams here are putting in a lot of effort, working non-stop to race against time and unload all this wood as quickly as possible. Some of the smaller ships will be unloaded in just a few days, but the bigger ones will take a bit longer. The Komatsu 895 demonstrates outstanding performance in heavy snow conditions. With a flexible and durable gripping system, the machine maintains stability and precision when moving on snow-covered terrain. Using horses to transport wood is a great idea for forestry activities. Plus, horses don't produce emissions like modern machinery, making them an environmentally friendly option. And they can move flexibly on terrain that is difficult for machinery to access. This wood splitter is truly impressive, making what seemed like a difficult task easier than ever. With a raw 220-volt power source and a splitting force of up to 5 tons, it can handle even the toughest logs. Compact yet incredibly powerful and durable, this machine is also easy to use. Simply plug it in and you're ready to start working. Splitting wood has never been this easy. The Hockey Pilka 43 Pro, with its powerful cutting blade, can handle tough wood as easily as slicing through butter. It's not just for professionals, even beginners can easily get the hang of it. The truck moves steadily over slippery, snow-covered, and icy roads, showcasing its superior power and traction. With a large payload capacity, this truck effortlessly transports heavy logs without any difficulty. Additionally, the collision warning technology ensures the safety of both the vehicle and its cargo. The John Deere 1010E is a versatile machine that not only handles slippery terrain with ease, but also has a crane that works with impressive flexibility. Each log is lifted and neatly stacked in the blink of an eye, making the job faster and more efficient. Transporting wood isn't just a straightforward job. It's all about organization and smooth coordination. The crane operator and excavator are working together efficiently and in perfect sync. This is the perfect blend of experience, skill, and discipline. The Hayden HC20NA-3 is a modern and reliable lifting device. With its flexible, compact, and sturdy design, it's easy to operate in tight spaces. The Elato PTH 114/100 AOAD is equipped with a powerful Volvo 700P engine, delivering an impressive output of up to 380 cubic meters per hour. With its smart design and a wide 1400 by 1100 millimeter feet opening, this machine handles medium and small trees easily, significantly cutting down work time. What's even better is that it comes with autonomous functionality, so the machine finds its own way around, saving you the effort of pushing and pulling over rough terrain. The Stihl MS-881 is the most powerful chainsaw ever produced by Stihl. The Stihl MS-881 boasts an impressive 8.7 horsepower engine, enabling it to cut through massive tree trunks like a hot knife through butter. This is a chainsaw born to conquer the impossible. Assembling this 7-ton horizontal electric wood splitter is incredibly simple. Just a few basic steps, and you'll be ready to work. Its compact design means you don't have to worry about lifting or moving the machine. However, it's best suited for splitting smaller logs. Thanks to its automatic adjustment feature and powerful splitting force, all you need to do is pull the lever to split the wood without straining or bending down. The machine operates smoothly and quietly, offering a pleasant and quiet performance over extended sessions.
There's a big school marm right there. The cat right underneath it, so.
To cut down this large tree trunk, he used a 36-inch saw bar. Before cutting, he carefully considered the cutting angle, the weight of the trunk, the distribution of branches, and the wind direction to ensure the tree would fall in a safe direction. This task isn't as simple as it seems. It calls for a combination of expertise, focus, and sharp judgment. The Mac R600 is considered the warrior of the logging industry, thanks to its powerful engine and sturdy chassis. It is capable of transporting heavy logs through challenging terrain, ensuring the work is carried out efficiently and safely. Its incredible strength and durability have made the Mac R600 a true legend. Transporting a large amount of wood is definitely a tough challenge. A small mistake could lead to serious consequences, which really shows just how important the driver's responsibility and focus are. The race, full of excitement and tension, is about to start, with Vincent Couture and Koga ready to compete. The engines are roaring and the smoke is everywhere. Everyone is excited to know which car will take the lead. Transporting wood on the road is a really dangerous task, where unexpected situations can arise that are difficult to handle.